Due to some limitations of relational databases, the need of a new kind of database is arise that provides horizontal scaling, can run anywhere, which has a flexible data model and gives faster development with low upfront cost. So these are the 4 points, that is horizontal scaling, faster development, flexible data model and low upfront cost. So let's understand them one by one. First thing is horizontal scaling. So NoSQL provides horizontal scaling. Earlier with relational databases or RDBMS, database administrators always relied on scaling up or buying bigger or expensive multiple servers as database load increased rather than scaling out or distributing the database across multiple hosts. But with NoSQL, the feature of horizontal scaling was a great advantage so that it can run anywhere. It focused on increasing the number of systems that are participating in the processing of the data. Next is flexible data model. As both structured and unstructured data can be stored because there is no fixed data model, this flexibility gives organizations access to much larger quantities of data since the queries are performed on the logical system. The another point is faster development. So with NoSQL, the organization could build applications that were not possible before. With NoSQL, organizations could move faster than they could with relational databases as they are able to build application quite easily. The last point is low upfront cost. Here we have 2 points. The first one is lesser server cost and the another one is maintaining NoSQL server is cheaper. So first thing is lesser server cost. So NoSQL database typically clusters of cheap commodity servers to manage the exploding data and transaction volume, while RDBMS tends to rely on the expensive proprietary servers and storage systems. So the storing and processing data cost per gigabyte in case of NoSQL can be many times lesser than the cost of RDBMS. Another point is maintaining NoSQL server is cheaper. So maintaining high-end RDBMS system is expensive and can be only done with assistance of expensive highly trained database administrators. On the other hand, NoSQL database requires less management. Features like automatic repair, easy data distribution, and simpler data models make administration tuning requirement lesser in NoSQL. So these are the certain properties that requires a new kind of database.